My God, y'all. Last week was a flop, wasn't it? So this has been fun. If you're new to the channel, my name is John. I am currently trying to daily vlog my journey as I relearn mathematics. It's been fun. So last week was great. Last week was really great for me, but it's very niche. I know it's incredibly niche. But we have been. Last week was a number theory week, and we tried to build addition. We tried to build standard arithmetic from the axioms, which is something that I did in college in one of my intro to proofs courses. I remember doing it, on paper. But not only did we prove facts like a plus b equals b plus a, and a plus b squared equals a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Not only did we prove all of Peano arithmetic, we actually did it in modern proofs. So I call lean and proof assisted mathematics modern proof writing. That's a little bit grandiose, but I am very bullish myself. I really think that proof assisted math is the future. Let me know in the comments if you disagree with me. I don't know what I'm talking about. I am just a software engineer. I am not a mathematician. But from all of my experience so far, it feels like math, like from math that I remember from being in college. It feels somewhat like doing math, and I'm somebody who has a very high bar for finickiness and aesthetics and whatnot in terms of code. Honestly, I think style matters. I think having Unicode really matters. Lean, I could see it. I can believe it. I don't think it's ever going to replace pen and paper. I don't think it's ever going to replace white papers, like archive white papers and the beautiful human readable arguments that we create. But I absolutely believe that computer formalization of proofs is the future. That comes from my many years working in Silicon Valley of really focusing on test automation, especially. Lean feels so much like test-driven development when done well, like the good sides of unit testing and automated testing. It feels like the really nice parts of that. So I don't know if I'm just in the tutorial honeymoon phase of it all, or if there's something to it. I don't know if it's here to stay or not, but I'm loving it. And you may or may not know I'm unemployed and I'm looking for ways to make money. And I've been contacted twice now on LinkedIn from people who are like, I see you worked at Google and I see you have a mathematics degree. Do you want to help train Skynet? Do you want to help train AI on mathematical reasoning? You can get paid $50 an hour to work from home. Yes, please. I would like to do that, actually. I hope that the AI safety people are doing their jobs, because this stuff is coming one way or another. And whether or not it's just training AI on mathematical reasoning, or like in a happier world, I think it's formally verifying that my self-driving car is not going to run into the oncoming lane or whatever. Like, I would love for software to be formally verified and mathematically proven not to do wrong things, because it's just absurd how broken software is. Software, if you count the bugs, this is a great exercise for anybody. Try to count how many bugs you experience on a day-to-day basis. Pro tip, try it by getting Ray-Bans, like the new Meta smart glasses. Wear the smart glasses, live a day, take a photo every time that you see a software bug, or just long press the button and then you'll capture a little 1-minute clip. Wow. Yeah, software is so complex that we just cannot manage its complexity. It's beyond us at this point, for so many reasons that I could rant about in a future video, in a future set of videos. But yeah, software is messed up, and I would love to get involved with formally verified software. I think that would be such a cool niche to learn and get into. So my sand timer's telling me it's almost 10 minutes, and I want the first 10 minutes to be clipped as a reusable clip that I can just use and take out, and then after that just hang out here as a math practice session. So what else do I want to say before 10 minutes are up? Yeah, I don't know. I hope you enjoy the journey. Let me know if like a daily 10-minute vlog sounds interesting to y'all, because I think it could be really fun. I think I've got a lot to offer in this kind of category. And oh yeah, I wanted to crack this joke, I guess. Like, literally part of the reason that I was working on computers, in like computer formal, that I finally started learning Lean, and that I started just writing in, I just started taking notes on index cards. It's the stupidest reason, but I literally just right now cannot find my Apple Pencil. I don't know where it is. I don't know where my Apple Pencil is. So today we are not going to have the fancy iPad blackboard on screen. I wish we could, but we're not going to. So I think that the rest of today is literally just going to be hanging out and taking some notes on paper, like as if it's the 1900s or something. What else? Oh yeah, this week we are rotating topics. So far it has been linear algebra, number theory, calculus, but I'm no longer tutoring a calculus student, so I was thinking linear algebra, number theory. Now I'm starting to think it's going to be number theory and AI math. So what does that mean? That means once a month it's going to be linear algebra, and then the other time it's going to be probability, or really it's just going to be the two blended together. So this week, kicking off this week, we are going to study probability. And the clickbait title is Learning AI Math, but really we're just here learning probability and linear algebra, like the same old linear algebra and number theory, or linear algebra and probability that we've been doing for hundreds of years. So I hope you join me for that. I used to grade linear algebra, and I love it. It's one of my favorite maths, but somehow I avoided probability and just focused on like algebraic math when I was in college ages ago. So I'm literally excited to share the frustration daily while I practice live and just study math live and hang out with folks. Today we're going to be working on probability. Somebody sent me some lecture notes, so I'm just going to start reading those lecture notes and take notes on that. All right. And it looks like that's about 10 minutes, so I hope you all have a beautiful day. Thank you for tuning in. Let me know, like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see out of this channel. Leave a comment below and leave a question. I could answer questions. I'm thinking maybe I could like start off each video with a review of what we did last time or last week. Maybe I could show a solution to one problem. I don't know. What do you want to see? What do you want to see, y'all? Thanks for tuning in. All right. Cheers. See you next time. Bye. My name is John. Yeah. forget about the math hobbyist. I'm John. John practices math. That's my new handle. All right. See you next time. Cool. All right. There's our YouTube intro. If anybody's out there in the live stream, let me know how that went. Was that fun? Did you enjoy the chat? Now let's get more cozy and tune down the energy levels just a moment and hang out. What's going on, y'all? I'm happy with how far we got with lean last week. I meant to say that I got my local environment set up, which I'm excited for.